Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to synchronize Lendio data with bookkeeping apps. Synchronizing Lendio with bookkeeping apps ensures that your financial data stays consistent across platforms. This of course reduces errors and saving time on manual updates. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into Lendio and then go to integrations and go to connected accounts. Next is to add accounts or synchronize data, and just choose your preferred bookkeeping app from the list of available options. Then sign into the selected app and synchronize data sharing. Map Lendio categories to matching bookkeeping categories, and then you can also enable automatic synchronization settings. Review synchronized transactions for accuracy. Got to make sure everything is synchronized accordingly, and then confirm ongoing data synchronization. With bookkeeping synchronization enabled, Lendio becomes a central hub for your financial data, which of course keeps report accurate and eliminates duplicate work. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.